Now, that's playing at full volume, right? With bass boosted. There is no distortion, the bass sounds awesome. Hey guys, Shaq here, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to review the Edifier W820NB+, a pair of wireless noise cancelling headphones that promise to deliver high resolution sound, long battery life and smart features for less than $100. Are they worth buying? Let's find out. The Edifier W820NB+ have a simple and sleek design. They are made of plastic, which makes them light and comfortable. The ear cups are soft and cushioned, and they can rotate and adjust to fit your ears. The headband is also padded and flexible. The headphones have 4 buttons on the right ear cup that let you control the music, volume and calls. Let's have a quick look at what you get inside the box. There's a USB-C cable, the manual, and of course the headphones. There is however no protective case or pouch, but for the price point I didn't think they would include that. The Edifier W820NB+ supports Bluetooth 5.2 and LDAC codec, which means they can deliver high quality wireless audio with low latency and interference. They also have a hybrid active noise cancellation feature which uses 4 microphones to reduce the ambient noise around you. The sound quality of the Edifier W820NB+ is surprisingly good for the price. They have relatively flat and neutral sound signature, with a slight emphasis on the mid-range. The bass is tight and punchy, but not very deep or powerful. The mid-range is clear and detailed, with good separation and imaging. The treble is smooth and crisp, but not very bright or sparkly. The soundstage is decent, but not very wide or immersive. The headphones can handle most genres of music, but they may lack some excitement and dynamics for some listeners. The Edifier W820NB+ have a very long battery life of up to 49 hours per charge with ANC off, and up to 33.5 hours with ANC on. They also have a fast charging feature that gives you 7 hours of playback with just 10 minutes of charging. The headphones have a voice prompt that tells you the battery level and the NC mode. The headphones also have a smart pause feature that automatically pauses the music when you take them off and resumes it when you put them on. You can use the headphones both with Bluetooth connectivity or directly using the USB-C cable. So what do I think about the Edifier W820NB+? Well, I think they are a great pair of headphones for the money. They have a balanced and natural sound, a comfortable fit and a long-last battery. They also have some nice features such as LDAC support, fast charging and smart pause. They are not perfect, but they are definitely worth considering if you are looking for a pair of affordable wireless headphones with good sound and ANC. That's it for this review guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think of the Edifier W820NB+, and also if you already have the W820NB and if you are thinking of upgrading. And until next time, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye!